Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for a provisional patent online. First, understand that a provisional patent application is a temporary placeholder, securing an early filing date for your invention. It's a cost-effective way to gain patent pending status for 1 year, allowing you time to refine your idea and assess market potential before committing to a full utility patent. This process is simpler and more flexible than a non-provisional application. To prepare your application, you need a comprehensive written description of your invention. This should explain how to make and use it, clear enough for someone skilled in the field to understand. While not strictly required, including drawings or diagrams significantly strengthens your submission by providing visual clarity. Remember, the USPTO does not examine provisional applications, so a thorough description is crucial for establishing your priority date. The next step is filing online through the USPTO Patent Center. You'll need to create or log into your USPTO account. Upload your prepared documents, typically in PDF format, and accurately complete all required forms. Be sure to pay the associated filing fees, which can vary. For example, microentities often pay a lower fee. Once submitted, you will receive an electronic receipt confirming your filing date. After filing, you'll receive confirmation, and your invention will officially hold patent pending status. This status lasts for 1 year from your filing date. During this 12-month period, you can further develop your invention or seek investors. It's important to remember that you must file a corresponding non-provisional patent application within this 1-year window to benefit from your provisional filing date. Consulting a patent attorney is highly recommended for guidance on your next steps.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.